So as I mentioned in the intro, today I'm talking about this MHPOWOS LiFePO4 200 amp hour battery. Now there are quite a few options for these, but these guys have some really nice prices. But as I mentioned, they generally have discount codes on their website. Check the description down below. If I've got one, I will also put it in there for you. So let's just kind of walk through the features of this thing. Again, if you are looking for something to make a house battery out of, and by house battery, I mean a battery that you can use to run accessories on an overlanding trip, things like a refrigerator or a diesel heater or different things like that require electricity if you need to charge a bunch of things. My rooftop tent has an Anderson plug that I'm running off of my house battery all the time, so that powers lights and recharges my phone and things like that up in the tent. My lights run off of my house battery. That is what something like this is for. This is not a starter battery, right? So you're going to use this to literally run accessories and essentially charge things and then recharge the battery. So it's a big capacity holding tank for power to run all of your accessories.